Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your location in Facebook Marketplace. First of all, you need to open your Facebook app, then you need to visit on Marketplace section and you can follow these steps. Once you are on the Marketplace section, you need to tap on this area where your location is mentioned. Once you tap on this button, when you tap on your location, it will pop up this kind of map. You need to tap on the map, and once you tap on the map, it will show you these two options: suggested radius or custom radius. Okay, you can select custom radius. You can increase, you can decrease the range of the radius, like it will comes in kilometer, so you can reduce kilometers or you can decrease or increase. You can do whatever you want. Okay, and once you complete this step, you can simply apply the button, and you can also see there is a option like location and all, so you can follow these steps and you can change your location of Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.